Go!
Trying to hitchhike a while ago, and then guess what? I saw again these two Italians. After a few days, we separate each other for the past 3 days, and then we see each other again this morning.
Tourist, Tajikistan.
We have a Kyrgyz driver. See all the barbed wire in there, it's the China border. Yeah,
finally Domingo has found his Italian friends.
As you could see, the Pamirs highway is very common for the cyclists and the motorists. You could see all these.
Plate of gelmedi. Geç, turist.
At 4,655 meters above sea level here in Tajikistan. These cyclists are very tough. All this old Russian military building. Another village.